Hi sweet friends, and welcome back to another video. Today I will be sharing how I take all of my Christmas decor down and put it away, and I'm also going to share how to make your home cozy once all that beautiful decor is put away. If you keep your decor up a little bit longer, you can come back and watch this video in a week or so. But let's go ahead and get right into today's video. If you are new here, I want to say welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I truly hope that you consider subscribing to my channel. I do everything decor related, and my style is like a French country, shabby chic, comfortable style, I guess. I enjoy neutral colors, but during the holidays, I really like to make things pop as well. So if you are into that type of decor, this is the perfect channel for you. Sometimes taking Christmas decor down can be just as overwhelming as putting it all up. So my advice is to focus on one room at a time, one section of your room at a time, and just kind of do things slowly and not rush yourself. I started with my mantle by taking this garland down. I got it from King of Christmas and I loved it so very much, but my advice is to just go at your own pace, and just like putting it up, it might take a couple days. And this year, for some reason, I was really sad to take all of my Christmas decor down. I put my Christmas up November 1st, and normally I am really excited to take it down, put it away, clean everything, and just have like a fresh new look and palette, so I can just take a step back and see how I want to decorate for a cozy season. But this year was weird. I really honestly didn't even feel like it was Christmas, and I know a lot of you guys have felt the same way. It was just a very strange feeling, and I was kind of sad to take it down. But once I did and put everything away, honestly, it felt really good. I know some of you guys keep your Christmas decor up a couple weeks after Christmas into the new year, and that is totally fine. You do what you are comfortable with. This is what I'm doing, and I'm sharing it with you guys. So if you like my videos and you want to wait, just pause this and come back to it a couple weeks later or whenever you wish. But this is what I'm doing. I thought it would be really fun to ask a couple questions throughout my videos to get to know you guys a little bit better. And one of the first questions that I want you to answer down in the comments is, what are your goals for the new year? Just go ahead and put 1 or 2 or 3 or as many as you want down in the comments below. I am really curious to know what your guys' goals are and how you plan on achieving those. That would be amazing if you can put both of those answers in there for me. I cannot wait to read some of the comments. A really good way to keep your Christmas decor organized and easy to find is putting them in color coordinated bins. A couple years ago, I found these at Target, I believe, and these are perfect for all of my Christmas decor. They are green totes and they just work out perfectly. I don't have to label them or rummage through them and open them and see what type of decor is in the bin. So I love that I can coordinate them throughout the seasons. And for my other seasonal decor, I use clear plastic bins so I can actually see through them. But these green totes are perfect for Christmas. Now it comes time to take the Christmas tree down in here, and I just did a snap of my fingers to get all the ornaments off, and I did put those away in some little mini boxes to keep them from breaking. But once I did that, and I did contemplate keeping the tree there for like a winter look because it was just so beautiful. I didn't want to take it down. But I wanted to make a big change in here and rearrange some furniture, and I needed this space, so down it went. The Christmas tree was the last piece of decor in the family room to take down and put away. So now I'm going to head on into the kitchen, and I'm going to start by taking these little pieces of pine that I had up on this chandelier, and it was really pretty. And as I was taking it down, I was really glad that I did not put them up on the other two because it's just really time consuming, and I just felt like less is more this season, and I'm going to be doing a lot of that type of decorating through spring and summer and into fall. I want to do less. I want to have more space and less clutter. So that will be a lot of how I will be decorating in the future. For the next question, I want to know if you started any new traditions this Christmas season, and if you did, I would love it if you shared them with us. I really enjoyed having all this Christmas decor here in the kitchen, but I am really happy to put it away because I love a clean kitchen, and the less I have up in here, the better it feels. This kitchen is not huge, and I do not have a lot of counter space. So once I put it all away, it was like I could breathe again. As much as I loved it, I was really happy to put it away. And the last thing to take down in the kitchen is this pencil tree that I have set up here in this tiny little nook. And I have to say, this was one of my favorite Christmas decor pieces that I put up. It was simple, wasn't decorated, just had lights, and I loved that I placed it in this cute little basket. Another question that I have for you is, what is one thing that you are looking forward to the most in the coming year? Let me know down in the comments. Now that I have everything taken down and put away, I am going to, again, snap my fingers and put it all back in the garage and have it neatly stored away until next year. So like I said in the beginning of this video, I really wanted more of a change other than just taking my Christmas decor down. So I wanted to rearrange the sofa, and this was a little challenging because of the way the chase sits on the left side, because I have a fireplace, but I figured the fireplace does not get very hot, and I'm gonna try not to have it that close. But I really wanted to move things around, and honestly, I am not one to love putting a sofa up against a wall. It just does not look great, but the way my family room is, this just worked out better with the Christmas tree up and all that. And before I do that, I am going to switch out my covers. I had more of a cozy textured type of covers on here, and I'm just switching them out to more of a smoother fabric. The type that I had on here that I'm taking off right now, it had almost like a just like a really textured soft, it's really hard to explain, but it was more of like, I want to say like a flannel, but not a flannel. It's just too hard to explain. But I wanted to take it off and do something new, so I washed the one that I'm putting on now. I had it washed and all that, and I love that I can take these off, wash them, and then replace them. When I got this sofa, it came with 3 different covers to switch it out, and if you are interested in this sofa, I highly recommend it. I will leave a link in my description box. Absolutely love it. The filling on the cushions and the back cushions or back pillows are feather and down filled, so you can refluff them when they lose shape. They are not like that polyfill cotton or polyester cotton, whatever, to where once it starts to lose its shape, you can't really do anything about it. So I highly recommend this sofa. I love it. I've had it for a few months now, and I just really, really love it. So I will have a link in my description box. But I wanted to do something different and rearrange this, and I love how it is now. I have it facing the TV, so when we are all sitting on the couch watching TV, it is so much more comfortable. And again, the end of this chase really isn't that close to the fireplace. It does not get that hot, and I figured in a couple weeks I probably won't even be using the fireplace anymore at all. So I really love how this looked with how I have it situated and everything now, and you'll see how it all came together in just a few short minutes. If you're like me and you tend to get a little bored with your space and you always have this itch to rearrange your furniture, it's awesome because it gives you a fresh perspective, and rearranging furniture offers a new viewpoint, making your space feel novel and exciting. Another great thing about rearranging your furniture is the energy flow. So changing the furniture layout can positively impact the flow of energy in a room, creating a more dynamic atmosphere. If you have that feeling of your home being left cold and bare and empty after you take all your Christmas decorations down, I have a few tips to cozy up your room and make things feel a little more inviting and more comfortable. So the first tip is using soft textures, like adding plush throw blankets and cushions to your seating areas for a touch of warmth and comfort. You can also add warm lighting. You can incorporate soft, warm-toned lighting through table lamps or lights that have a dimmer. You can also add string lights if you wish, or some beautiful candles to create a cozy ambiance. If you have a fireplace, use it for a warm, inviting focal point. Otherwise, candles in various sizes can provide a similar effect. And I like to do the candles in the fireplace during the warmer months, and that creates a feel of ambiance without giving off a lot of heat, which you definitely don't want during the summertime, but it does cozy up the space. now that I have the living room and kitchen area all cozy and all the Christmas decor put away, I'm gonna head on into the living room and this area by the entryway and my staircase. So I am going to take this down and put it away. Again, it took too much time to film, and I know you guys don't want to see all that. I mean, come on. I mean, I'm just taking the garland down and all this other stuff, and you guys basically get what I'm doing. But it's down, it's put up, and I'm so happy to have that empty space again so I can clean. I had this tree up here in the living room, and it did have lights on it that I put up, which was extremely time consuming. So I thought I'd skip that as well and just share how I placed it back in this bag. And I love this Christmas tree that I got from King of Christmas. It looks very, very lifelike, and it's just really beautiful to decorate. Again, I was sad to put it away, but I was so happy to have that free space again. Once I had the last of the Christmas decor put away, I ran the vacuum downstairs and all throughout the house, and it felt really good to have everything nice and clean and put away, and it was just a really good feeling. As much as I did not want to put it away when I started, when I was finished, it just felt really good to have it all put away and that part finished and done with. I will be looking forward to putting it up again in November, but for now I'm really happy that it's put away, and I can't wait to decorate for the next season. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I am looking forward to the year 2024 so much. I am so excited for what may come, and I am really excited for all of you as well. I can't wait to share more decorating ideas and tips with you all. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do that right now. Hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. And I hope you guys all have an amazing day. I will see you in the next one. Bye.